Welcome to Geekazine's virtual conference coverage 2020. We got Sam here at Lenovo, and you guys got some new products coming out. So tell us a little bit about what you got there, Sam.
Yeah, we've announced quite a few products over the past month or two. So I only have a few of them here with me, obviously, because I am at my house and everyone else is at their house.
Yeah.
So, yeah. But I'll walk you through some of the products that I do have on me. And I'll start off with probably one of the most interesting products. It is our ThinkPad X1 Fold. This is something that we've teased and have kind of shown off already, but now it's within its final stages of being ready. It should be available very soon. It's actually, you can go online now and pre-order it. And what it is exactly what the name implies. It's a folding PC. Okay. So the idea behind this is with the new folding displays available out now, you can have this folding PC available to you. So it's a big 13.3 inch folding OLED panel there. Okay. And if you can see what I'm doing here, simply fold the display together, and you have a much smaller footprint to carry around with you. So very intriguing device. Obviously, folding technology right now is very fresh and very exciting for a lot of people. Yeah.
What kind of screen is that then? What kind of plastic are you using for the fold?
It's a special plastic. We don't necessarily disclose the exact technology, but the covering here is our development, and then the display itself is made by LG. The OLED part of the display, it's made by LG, and then we have developed quite a few different,
Yeah, that hinge looks really nice. I like how you have it designed. It looks like it's going to be pretty sturdy. If somebody tries to pull it the other way, it doesn't look like it's going to pop or anything like that.
Yeah, and we've put a lot of development into making it so that it's very sturdy, and when you're writing or touching the screen, it's not going to scratch or bend.
Okay. Yeah, and I noticed on the screen, I don't see any ribbing or anything like that right in the middle, because usually with the foldable, you'll see a little crease by design in some cases, so the screen closes properly.
Right. So let me see if I can get this logged on. Okay. But some of the things we've added on here, obviously, is this kickstand, so you can use it at your desk, whether you're just sitting at your desk and doing, connecting to a dock or whatnot.
Does that fold on both sides or just one side?
Just one. Okay. Just this one side.
Okay.
Right. But this folio does have a unique function where, as I fold the tablet, you'll see that the folio cover here slides to adjust to the curvature of the device.
That's nice.
Yeah. It's just some unique mechanical functionality that we've added to it. As far as the performance of it, we expect it to be pretty well performing. It's Intel's newest hybrid technology. Okay. So it'll have some of the hybrid technology, meaning a mix of some of the Core i series power, as well as some of the more efficient power from the lower end processors.
So that's what the 11th generation Intel processors, right?
Yeah, it's technically 11th gen, but then it's what Intel calls their hybrid technology. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
What do you have for ports on that thing?
So there's two USB-C ports here, one on that side and another one there. So if you do, in case you do want to dock it, and it's sitting like this, you'll still have a USB-C port available.
Are they both charger? Or is one charger?
Yes, both provide power data display out as needed.
Okay. So, what's the weight on that thing?
It's just over 2 pounds. Sorry.
Just over 2 pounds?
Yeah.
Oh, that's not too bad.
2 pounds. Yeah, 2.2 pounds.
How come it wasn't set up to actually fold the other way, so you could actually have it in half its size to actually use the screen that way?
Yeah, so there's a lot of different philosophies on that. You've seen other I guess when smartphones first started implementing the folding technology, you've seen some of the devices that folded the display outwards.
Yeah.
And we've just decided that this rendition of it would be most appropriate.
Okay. And do we have price points on this yet, or?
So this one will start out at $24.99.
Okay.
Obviously, at that price point, it's really an early adopter type product, right? Similar to what you've seen on some of the folding phones. So, but we still feel like the $249.99 price is still,
Yeah, it's a bit high for the average person that just wants a laptop. But everything that you get off of it, including that 2 touch screen, because I'm assuming you can fold it kind of like a laptop, and then use half of the screen as keyboard. Is that how that works?
You can do it like this. Sorry, I just want to do some updates.
So there's an actual keyboard attached. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, so there's a keyboard that comes with it. It's an accessory that you can purchase separately as well. Okay. And then the pen comes with it as well. Okay. So there's a pen available for it.
If you don't have the keyboard with you, can you fold it like this and then have like a virtual keyboard or on-screen keyboard for that? Okay.
Absolutely. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Is there any haptics on there or no?
On the touchscreen keyboard? I don't believe there's haptics on it.
Okay. So you won't feel the keys, basically.
Yeah, you won't feel the keys.
Okay, that's not a problem. So
that's the main features. I mean, the real selling point of this is the folding display, right? Okay. That's the highlight of this product.
Okay. Yeah, and you've got some other stuff. Really quick, just run through the other ones so we have an idea of what's out there.
Yeah, so we have a lot of new laptops, a lot of new products within our yoga line. We have an update to our seat, our 900 series yoga. Okay. It's going to have a leather top cover, and some of the configurations will be optional. They'll have this really unique touchpad and palm rest. It's all one glass piece.
Oh wow! Yeah,
it's really for aesthetics. So we've added a lot. We really designed this with that kind of purposeful design, give it a really nice look, but then also, this very functional touchpad here. It's all haptic feedback on the touchpad.
Okay. Do you find something with a longer move to the keyboard a little bit harder to work with or easier to work with? Trackpad seems to be a little bit bigger than a lot of other laptop keyboard trackpad combos. Unless I'm just seeing it because we're on a Zoom call or something like that.
It's a large trackpad, but we found that the larger the trackpad, the more the better the improvement in usability actually. Okay. So most of our users are actually calling for, hey, can I have a bigger trackpad? Okay. So
absolutely
trying to improve the trackpad experience.
Okay, perfect.
And then we have some other ones, some updates to our 700 series, but the one I have on me here is our Legion 7 Slim 7i. Okay. And it's our thinnest gaming laptop to date. And the idea behind this product is most folks who want a portable gaming laptop, they either have to sacrifice between compromise between having a big heavy laptop or a thin laptop, and then you lose some performance. Yeah. But we really worked really hard to make this device still have some of the performance of a gaming laptop, but then also some of the function and features. So it's got a SD card reader, USB ports, power, and 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports. So it's going to give you plenty of power. So if you're using your gaming laptop for general like creativity work, then this is going to be something that's great for that. Okay,
perfect. And what's the price points on those?
So this one depends on the configuration you'll get. So I would have to look that up. As far as the starting configuration, I would say over $1,000. Okay, and then it can go from there depending on the configuration. Okay. Only other one is something that's maybe more affordable. It's our P11 Pro tablet, and it's an Android tablet. It's this really unique tablet, very thin, and what it has is a detachable keyboard. It all comes with the device. And it all goes for I believe it's for $499.
Okay.
A detachable kickstand, and it's Android based. And the idea behind this is just a really premium Android tablet.
Nice Android tablet that actually opens up as a laptop. I know a lot of my friends will want that for the basic stuff that they need to. So, all right. Well, Sam, thank you very much for your time, and check it out over at Lenovo.com, correct?
Absolutely.
Okay, cool. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
That's another company from the Virtual Conference Coverage 2020 at Geekazine. Since I can't go to the conferences, I'm going to have the vendors come to me. If you're a vendor, if you've got a product that you want to show off, if you've got a service that you want to talk about, let me know. Tweet me over at Geekazine, Think Magazine, put in the Geek, and let's get on air and talk about it for Geekazine. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and hit that bell notification to let you know when the next video comes out. For the Virtual Conference Coverage 2020, Jeffrey Powers here. Thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, you guys geek out.